We are here at the Kansas City International Airport, and we're about to take a flight with United out to Denver. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but right now we're delayed. Supposed to arrive at 8:50 p.m. Our flight to London leaves at 8:20, and we talked to a gate agent, and he pretty much said that we're probably gonna have a delay, or they'll hold the plane for us, because we looked at connections. Almost everyone else who's making a connection has a delay going into Denver because of weather right now, so yeah. Well, as you can see here, we're down in the baggage claim area because that was unfortunately not the case. The plane to London left on time, but our flight got delayed even more because of a ground stop. So, yeah. We have arrived! The plane we'd be flying on was November 814 Uniform Alpha, an almost 27-year-old A319, which had served its whole life with United. Because of what happened the night before, we would be sitting in premium economy, which at the time I didn't realize we were in premium economy. So I was super impressed with the legroom until I turned my head. that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and sorry about, it's kind of poorly edited. The original video I cannot find, and so I just had to edit this really quickly to get it out on time, but there are many more to come, and until next time,